How to check if your iPhone is original or fake. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you check if your iPhone is original or fake. So let's get started. First, as you have to check for your iPhone serial number. For that, simply open settings. After you open settings, tap on general. Now from here, tap on about. From here, simply tap on your serial number and copy that. After you copy the serial number, you'll have to open the website for checkcoverage.apple.com on your browser. Now from here, you'll have to paste that serial number. After that, fill out the captcha here. Now from there, it will show that your iPhone's details it is genuine or not. Simply you can confirm it from here. Second, you can inspect the iOS system or your iPhones only run iOS, like if your device shows Android-like settings or a Play Store, it is definitely fake. Third one, you can check the build quality and feature. Look at the Apple logo. It should be clean and smooth, not a sticker. Also test Face ID, iMessage and the App Store. Fake iPhones can't run this properly, as you can also check for your display settings. For that, simply open settings. Now from the settings section, tap on display and brightness. From here, if you find the option True Tone, your display is original and you can also confirm it from here. And that's it. These are the way you can check if your iPhone is original or fake. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.